Hi guys, welcome back. Today we'll show you how to do the hard reset on your MOTOROLA G6. This operation can be helpful if you doesn't remember the password to your phone or just the software doesn't work properly. So first of all, we need the power off our device. Okay. Now hit the combination key, volume down and power button together. Okay. Press volume down to choose the recovery mode. Hit the power button. Wait a few seconds. And when the Android logo goes pop up, we need to press and hold volume power button. After that, press volume up. And here we are, we have a secret menu. From we're gonna choose the wipe data factory reset, accept by power, go down, yes. User data and personal user content, user data only. Now go the user data personally content. And now phone gonna be resetting with the all new brand software. Now reboot system now, and phone gonna be start without any password on your phone and with the new fresh system on it. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can thumbs up, subscribe my channel. See you by next video. Hey.